Alright guys, so as y'all can see by the title of the video, it's going to be a very interesting topic because I've never, talked about anything like this on my channel and I'm just so excited. Let's just start. Like I said, it's going to be a get ready with me. If I don't mention any products, I will have everything linked down below for you guys, so don't worry about that. I promise I will. Promise. What have you guys been up to? I feel like I've been really consistent here on my channel. Let me know if you guys have noticed, but I am aiming for it to be like that, and have a set schedule. I feel like this year I've realized a lot of things like with my YouTube. I want to keep on obviously growing and I want to keep on obviously like making new content for you guys and just new things, for the future. If you guys know my journey here, you guys know that I've been doing YouTube for about 5 years already, which is like so crazy to me because when I first started, I was just like, how old was I? I think I was like 18, 19, going to 19, I'm not sure, but it was such a long time ago and I'm so like extremely happy that I chose to do YouTube, I love creating new content. I love showing you guys makeup, like that's my thing. That's what I've been doing for a really long time. By the way, I don't have anything written down. Like this is coming from my heart, my mind, like everything. This is coming from me. It feels like a really long time. Like I know that there's so many YouTubers, so many beauty gurus that have done it for way longer than me, like 10 years type thing. I love doing this. This is, my career and I've chosen this and I feel like I've grown with you guys and I've changed, I've evolved, especially my makeup techniques. I have come a long way. But I feel like things are changing in the YouTube community. Do you guys agree? Let me know in the comments down below. Like things are really changing. A lot of people are just changing their content. They're showing more of themselves. They're showing more of, like lifestyle, I guess, and vlogging and all of that. I've seen it frequently, which I love, I stand for. I pretty much like, that's like my whole entire afternoon is watching vlogs and watching like lifestyle videos, So I feel like since I've been doing it for so long, like 5 years of my YouTube career, YouTube job, YouTube channel, I feel like it's just like about that time to, like change up a little bit of my content here on YouTube, and I don't think it's bad. I think it'll be like a good change for my channel. I was talking about this with like my sisters, my family, that a lot of people, correct me if I'm wrong, but a lot of people are not watching makeup tutorials like we used to, like I used to watch makeup tutorials like every single day. Like that was my thing and that's how I learned obviously here on how I do my makeup and stuff. But I don't know, like do you guys agree? Like I do. I support all my YouTube makeup gurus. I still watch a lot of makeup tutorials, but I don't know, like I feel like it's just been so long that people already don't watch them as much anymore, if that makes sense. Or to me, obviously I'm never, like I will never quit doing makeup tutorials here on my channel, but what I'm trying to say is like maybe like change up my channel a little bit, change up my content. I don't think there's nothing wrong with that, but I'm probably gonna like start to, make a little changes, a little tweaks on my channel so you guys don't get bored. Obviously I want you guys to come back for more excitement, more videos, more content. By the way, I already have an editor like that edits all my YouTube videos, and oh my god, I am so grateful for him. Like he is so fast too that he could get a video done in like 2 hours. I'm not even kidding, and that is so good for me because my videos are really long, like my makeup tutorials. That's why I also don't want to do like a lot of makeup tutorials like now, and obviously like I've been thinking about this for a really long time. That's why I said like I'm ready for a change. Like that's why I want to, change up my content here, and it's just like something that I've been really like noticing about my channel, and it's nothing bad. Like I totally understand. Like I get you guys. I also love watching vlogs and lifestyle videos. They're so fun to watch, and like I could watch them all day, every day. I am just here to tell you guys that, and I hope you guys are with me throughout my continuing, my YouTube channel. I'm not quitting or anything, or not even planning to quit, but I want to grow. I want to focus on something else, and we'll see how it goes. If it turns okay, then I'll be so stoked and happy that you guys are loving the content that I'm shooting. I also want to be happy on shooting, you know, like it's not like I'm not happy, you know, shooting makeup tutorials, but it can be a little, you know, like draining. Because, you know, there's times where I do my makeup, it doesn't come out the way I want it to be. I want it to, and then I have to do it all over again. Or the footage is so long, like it could take up like 2-3 hours. 3 hours, you guys. And I have so many ideas, so many ideas to share with you guys. Me and my editor, we were planning a lot, like brainstorming and seeing what I could do like to my channel. Is just very exciting. I literally bought a whiteboard and just like brainstormed. I think it's gonna be good, you guys. I think it's gonna be a good change to my channel, and it's just gonna switch. Like sometimes I feel like I don't want to fail, but you know, there's gonna be times where we will, and those are lessons, you know. Trust me, I have learned lessons. You know, they taught me so much. That's how you grow, is by the failures, getting out from them. This will be for the better of my channel, you guys. And it's so crazy because back then I wouldn't even be thinking like in a million years, because I'm such a control freak, that I would never let somebody touch my videos or like edit them. I would get offered, you know, like my old management team, like, oh, we can do this. This is their fees, like $300 fees of editing. And yeah, like I would never ever think that I was going to have like an editor edit my stuff, because like I said, I'm such a control freak. Now that I have an editor, I can put out more content, and it's such a like weight off my shoulders. I think I needed this, you guys. I really needed somebody to, you know, do this and just get my life together, because right now that's what I need, especially with like the whole pandemic. Oh my god. Like, people are going through struggles, you know? Nobody knows behind the scenes. Like, you guys probably think like, oh my god, like, why is she complaining? Like, there's so many people that would want this. And I know that. But I also struggle. Like, nobody has it perfect. That's what I'm trying to say. Nobody in the world has it perfect. Tell me somebody that does, because if they do, like, bow down to you, but like nobody does. Even though they want you to think that, or they portray that, you know, their life is perfect, it's really not. And that's the filter of social media, faking shit like that. And it's true. Like, I'm just trying to like speak the truth here, because right now, like, everything is run through social media, you know, like everything. You can sell a product online, you can sell anything online and get money, and it's just up to you if you want your business or anything to succeed. It's crazy. And also, I was like thinking, I'm gonna start to help smaller companies or smaller businesses anywhere here in my state, in Nevada, or like anywhere around the world. Like, I'm just gonna start to also, because we all need a little support. And if that's like a little mention on the IG story or a picture of the product, like, if that will help your business, like, I'm here for it. So let me know. I would love to just help you guys out, you know, if I could. I know that one day people would do the same for me, and that's why, you know, I'm telling you guys this. But yeah, like, let me know if you guys know a little business that you guys want me to check out. Definitely leave it on the comments. I would like for sure like look into it. I just want to help people right now. Help businesses. What I'm trying to do is open my horizons, my options, and see my options. I don't think I'm ever going to quit doing makeup tutorials. I love them so much. Like, I love showing you guys, teaching you guys, letting you guys know what products are bomb, letting you guys know like what products are not good. And you know, I love teaching. I love teaching new technique, love showing you guys my makeup looks. Like, that's never going to stop. Like, I love it too much to stop. You know, it's good to even say like, you have potential, you know, like, I know I have potential. I know I do. I also wanted to ask you guys, like, what kind of content do you guys want me to do? I feel like there's so much things out there. I just want to know what you guys want me to like create. You guys need to let me know like what you guys want to see more of me. I know that one of them has to be my makeup collection, and trust me, that will go up. Let me just get situated here in my room, because honestly, like, I feel like I have so many like old things that I need to get rid of. I have a lot of like old stuff because I have a pretty large room. It's not small. I want to get like new bedding, new everything, new furniture. That'll probably be up very soon. I'll try to like make it like my #1 priority. I know you guys want to see that. I see a lot of comments, you know, like don't worry, I'm gonna make it. I will make a room tour, a makeup collection, storage, whatever that video might be. What do you guys think about what I'm trying to say here? I know if you know you're a new subscriber, you guys are probably like, oh no, we'll keep the videos coming, but let me know like if you are a true rosa. I know I call you guys my rosas, my roses. Let me know if you guys like that plan, like that kind of content for me. I would love to make even like little DIYs, maybe like a vlog or something. If you guys have been with me since day one, you guys know that I love makeup. Like that's like my baby, you know, that's how I started. It's just something that I've been wanting to do for a really long time. It's just that I never talked about it. And you know what, that's been like on my mind for a really long time. I'm so happy that I'm getting to share with you guys because I am getting it off my chest. I just want to do better for my channel. I want you guys to keep coming back for more, you know, getting excited and learning new things. Switching things up a little bit might help a lot sometimes. It could be for the better. I always try to look on the brighter side. I am definitely an optimistic person. I don't know if you guys are, but I really am. I feel like I always see the positive things about everything, and that's what keeps me motivated too. But in some other things, I'm not optimistic at all. I'm more like, if it doesn't work, what if it, you know, you have doubts for sure. But for things like this, I like new changes. I like new beginnings. I'm so glad I'm sharing this with you guys. That's why I wanted to make a specific video for you. I feel like I've told you guys this so many times, but this time it's for real. Like I swear, like, not even a joke. Like I feel like sometimes you're drowning and then you have to pick it up. You have to save yourself, you know? If you're not saving yourself, who will? Who is going to save you? You know what I mean? It's just crazy. So crazy what life has to offer. I'm gonna start doing like favorite videos and like hauls. I feel like those are gonna be so fun because I watch them all the time and I'm just like, I need to do something like this, you know? I'm so excited. I have so many like finds, I guess, on Amazon, Target hauls, even like little things like that. I feel like are so fun to watch, and I'll for sure like do them. I feel like I could literally watch favorite hauls a whole entire day. Honestly, me myself, like I purchase some stuff from other, like I'm not gonna lie, I do add products to my cart whenever I think a product looks worth it. And I also have a lot of like cool things, cool finds. Whenever I go to Target, I have my own favorite things that I want to share with you guys. I feel like I share a lot of makeup, but I don't share a lot of everyday things like shampoo, like what's my favorite shampoo, or what's my favorite toothpaste, or my favorite food seasoning. I don't know, like things like that, you know, little things like that, or my favorite razor, favorite shower gels. I ran through a lot that I can definitely tell you guys what kind of shaving creams to buy or what not to buy. I have a lot of like cute secret finds whenever I go to Target, and like not even Target, like the 99-cent stores. I have like really great products that I can definitely like show you guys. So gonna probably do that too, take you guys with me and do all that. I know that a lot of people like to see other influencers active, you know, on their social platforms. Like that's what's also going to keep you noticed. And also like I want to show you guys how I started and how to like get into PR packages. If you guys are starting yourselves, I want to, you know, share tips if you guys want to become, you know, a beauty influencer or things like that, or get PR packages, tips on how to start a YouTube channel, lighting. I know that that was so struggle for me. Like nobody helped me. Of course I looked up on YouTube like, you know, best lighting or lighting to get. Like I've come across like a lot of like fails, purchases that I've made and they're just like, man, like not good. You know what I mean? So I can definitely like show you guys what to get and stuff, just stuff like that, you know? So just let your girl know like all of that stuff. I will love to share with you guys. And I also want to be like excited to film, you know? I don't want to be like not excited. Like if you guys are excited for me, I'm gonna be 10 times more excited, you know, because that's how it works. I feel like that's also like what how my channel grew, is by never complaining, always, you know, get on my grind. I would freaking like film so much. It was just so amazing on how I grew and quickly. I grew pretty fast, but then I just started to like not be excited to film, you know? Also, number one key is to be consistent, and I was not being consistent whatsoever. I was like complaining all the time, like, oh my god, I have to film today. And it's also like the ideas, like you guys have no idea of, there's so many things now that you want to be good at something, or you want to start something. What I'm trying to say is so overwhelming. But yeah, it's so overwhelming nowadays that you don't even know what to film, you know, or you run out of ideas. And I think that was my case. Like that was definitely something that I struggled with, is like ideas to film. In the beginning I was so good at it. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, oh my god, I feel like this video is gonna get good views, or I feel like this video is gonna do good. I was so excited for, you know, filming. And then I don't know, I just feel like, I guess there's a point where you just like slack off, you know? And I know it's like not an exception, like don't slack off, but there's gonna be times where you do, you know, don't feel motivated and run out of ideas. So I for sure need to work on that. That's why I also kind of wanted to film this video like in a different setup. This background right here is my old setup, so I also want to start doing like more natural looks, like not heavy makeup. I've been seeing that a lot like on other pages, and I kind of want to like change it up a little. Like you guys know I'm all about the glam. Like I love a full face, but I know that a lot of people, like realistically, a lot of people don't do their makeup every single day. Like I don't. I know for sure that I don't. Like, so I'm gonna start to do like 5-minute makeups. I know there's a lot of tutorials like that, so I'm for sure gonna do something like that. I'm gonna quickly do my eyebrows off camera, and then I'll be right back to finish the look. You guys already know I am so tired, you guys. Alright guys, so I did not finish the whole look, or I didn't film the whole look, because I feel like you guys already know everything, all my routine. If not, I have a link down below on the description box. It's literally the same thing, but this is how the look turned out. And honestly, I'm a little tired. I'm not gonna lie, I'm tired. I was just going to say, like, thank you guys so much for the support you guys give me every single day. Like, it never ever goes unnoticed. I know a lot of people have been watching me for a really long time and pretty much watched me grow up, and I feel like that's such a blessing to me, and grow up here and you guys being, you know, witnesses of my journey, of my career, how long I've done this and who I've become, and how all the misses and errors and all of that, you guys have seen it all with me, and I really do appreciate it. I'm honestly so grateful for you guys. Like, words can't even explain. It just never goes unnoticed, so I just wanna pour my heart out. I'm just so incredibly grateful. So yeah, like, cheers. Like, if I had a freaking like champagne right now, or like a wine glass, I would cheers, because I would cheers to a new beginning, a new life, a new journey. And I might just cheers after this video, because I need to like a pick me up. I'm still not finished with work, so I'm just so happy, honestly. I'm tired, but I'm happy. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social platforms, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. If you're not following me there already, you guys need to. I am new. Go ahead and follow me. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for being here with me and watching my video, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye guys.